friends, and welcome back to another video with Miss Jaylene. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make pipe cleaner icicles. So the supplies that you're going to need is boiling water. So you're going to need an adult or an older brother or sister to help you do this so that you don't burn yourself on the stove. You're going to need borax. I have my borax right here. You're going to need your pipe cleaners and some string. You're going to need scissors to cut your string, obviously. You're going to need a tablespoon to count how many times you're going to put borax into your hot water. You're going to need tape, and you're going to need somewhere to place your pipe cleaners and your solution. So I'm using this tall, round flower vase that I have. So, but whatever you have at home. So the first step is that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to boil your water. And you can see it is steaming hot. I put it in a bowl. And now I'm going to take my borax. So for each cup of water that you use, you're going to use 3 tablespoons of borax. So for my vase, because my vase is a little big, I'm using 3 cups of water. So that means I'm going to use 9 tablespoons of borax. But that's really up to you on what vase you use and how big you make your pipe cleaners. So, since I use 3 cups of water, I'm going to use 9 tablespoons of borax. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I'm gonna just stir this up really good. Stir, stir, and stir. You wanna make sure you stir it up really, really good so that your solution mixes well. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab, once I have that mix, I'm actually gonna put this aside for a quick minute. So when you have your pipe cleaners to make this shape, you can grab a pen or a pencil. I'm gonna show you how to. So grab your pipe cleaner, and you're just gonna grab a pen or a pencil, and you're gonna just wrap this around here, and then you're just gonna wrap, wrap, wrap. Make it as tight as you want, or as more gaps on it if you want. But when you pull it right out, you have the shape. So see, I already made this one. Here's my second one. So now you're gonna need some string or anything you have that you can tie to it, because we're gonna want that to hang in our mixture. I'm going to tie this up. And I'm going to just cut some of my string off. Okay, once you have the pipe cleaners you're going to use, you can use as many as you want, but the more you use, the bigger the jar you're going to need. So now here is my jar that I'm going to use, and you're going to need an adult or an older brother or sister to help you out with this because you don't want to burn yourself. So I'm going to pour my mixture in here, and then I'm just going to drop my first pipe cleaner in, and I'm gonna tape it. Tape the string to the side. I want it to kind of hang. And now you don't want your pipe cleaners to touch. So I'm gonna use this side. I'm gonna put this pipe cleaner in and tape. Oop, my string fell. And tape this one to the side. So now, if you're doing this at nighttime, you can just leave this overnight. Make sure you don't place it where there's gonna be direct sunlight to it. But since I'm doing this during the day, we're just gonna set this somewhere and we're gonna come back in a few hours. I'm gonna wait about 5 hours and I'm gonna come back and see if it has formed into crystals. So I'll see you in a few. Hi, my little friends. So it's been a few hours and you can see that my water has been forming into crystals a little bit, if you can see that. So now I'm gonna take out my green one. It still has to set for a little more, but it has been forming into crystals. It's been about 3 hours since I've had it in the water. And as you can see, it has been forming into an icicle. How pretty is that? So I'm gonna put it right back in, but I'm gonna let it set for maybe another 2-3 more hours. But that is how you make pipe cleaner icicles. So I hope you guys enjoyed making this with me. It's a lot of fun and it's super easy. All you have to do is be patient, but the result is obviously so pretty. Okay, bye my little friends.